Experiencing a black screen when launching Marvel Rivals? You're not alone. This issue, where the game fails to load and presents a black screen, was common at launch. While updates have resolved it for most, it can still occur, especially on older systems or specific hardware configurations. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get you back in the game. As of February 2026, NetEase is still actively addressing bugs, so staying updated is key. First, ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Marvel Rivals. The game requires at least an NVIDIA GTX 950 graphics card or equivalent GPU to render properly and avoid black screen issues. You'll also need a minimum of 8 GB of RAM. Insufficient memory can cause the game to fail to load, resulting in a black screen on launch. A compatible CPU is essential for processing the game's calculations. Make sure your processor meets or exceeds the recommended specifications. Finally, check that your Windows version is compatible. The game works best with Windows 10 or 11, and older versions may cause launch problems. If your hardware falls below these minimum requirements, upgrading components may be necessary to resolve the black screen issue and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Outdated graphics drivers are a primary cause of black screens when launching Marvel Rivals. These drivers handle the graphics rendering, and old versions may not properly support the game's requirements. For NVIDIA graphics cards, visit the official NVIDIA GeForce website to download the latest drivers. These updates include optimizations specifically for new games like Marvel Rivals. For AMD graphics cards, go to the AMD Radeon website to get the most recent drivers. As of January 2026, many users found success with AMD Adrenalin version 24.1, which addresses compatibility issues with Marvel Rivals. After downloading, install the drivers. You can also open the AMD Adrenalin software interface to check for updates and manage your GPU settings. After installing the updated drivers, always restart your computer. This ensures the changes take effect and helps prevent black screen issues when launching Marvel Rivals. Corrupted game files can also trigger a black screen when launching Marvel Rivals. To fix this, open the Epic Games launcher and navigate to Marvel Rivals in your library. Click the 3 dots next to the game title and select Verify. This process will check for and repair any damaged or missing game files. Additionally, a corrupted Epic Games launcher cache can cause similar problems. To clear it, go to the launcher's settings. In the Games tab, find and select the Clear Cache option. This will resolve cache-related launch issues. Overlays from applications like Discord, as well as RGB lighting software, can sometimes interfere with game initialization. These overlays appear on top of the game and may prevent proper loading. For RGB lighting software, access your keyboard or peripheral settings and disable the ambient lighting effects before launching the game. To close unnecessary background applications, open Windows Task Manager and review the Processes tab. Look for non-essential programs consuming resources and end their tasks. This frees up system resources and prevents potential conflicts. Try launching Marvel Rivals with only essential processes running to see if the black screen issue is resolved. Antivirus software or your firewall might be blocking Marvel Rivals from launching properly. Overzealous security can quarantine game files or prevent the executable from running, causing the black screen. Check your antivirus logs first for any blocked files. For example, Bitdefender users have reported the antivirus quarantining Marvel Rivals files. Look for the game in your antivirus quarantine or blocked items. To fix this, add the Marvel Rivals executable file to your antivirus exceptions list. In Bitdefender, go to Scans and Risks, then configure exclusions to allow the game files. Additionally, ensure Marvel Rivals is allowed through your Windows firewall. Go to Firewall Settings and allow the app through the firewall for both private and public networks. Permission-related issues can prevent Marvel Rivals from launching properly, resulting in a black screen. Running the game as administrator grants it the necessary permissions to access system resources. First, locate the game's executable file in its installation directory. Right-click on the executable file to open the context menu. From the menu, select Run as Administrator to launch the game with elevated privileges. This method can bypass launch errors by ensuring the game has full access to system resources. If basic fixes don't resolve the black screen issue in Marvel Rivals, move to advanced troubleshooting. Check for hardware conflicts using Windows built-in tools like the Hardware Conflict Troubleshooter. If that doesn't work, consider reinstalling the game completely to rule out corrupted files. To stay ahead of issues, regularly check the official Marvel Rivals forums and NetEase's support site for the latest updates and known problems. Looking ahead, NetEase is working on robust error logging and may use AI to predict and prevent black screen issues in future patches. By staying informed and patient, you'll enjoy a smoother experience with Marvel Rivals.